ever heard of a slaughter. I oughta start dipping, sipping on that ST gets me to tripping. I don't slips, I bangs with that mad ass dog pound gang. It's a DPG thing. Corrupt from the SC. You wanna test me?
When you gonna put me up on one of your videos or something? You know I can still get out. Check this out.
Welcome back, everyone. Right now we're at one of the sister stores of the Wilbourn Design and Boutique in ATL.
That's right, with Miss Janice, as always. I'm sporting one of their denim designs that they have right now. My brother right here, IK, it's a little bit loud out here, but IK is sporting another one of their denim designs. It's a little bit of a pants and a jogger, so you can go with both the designs.
But heavenly pants.
Make sure to check out a lot of their other denim season things.
Drop by.
That's right, we're
This is the Wilbourn sister, Miss Janice.
All right. Hello, you all.
This is top for IK right now.
That's just gonna tie around here like I got this. Just tie it like that. Just take it up. Actually,
So I put this and then I tie
come
these.
to me over here. I'm gonna show you how to do this. You gotta go take your shirt off. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, this is the top.
See, this is what we're talking about, being able to switch out. You don't need to have a lot of clothes, just to have a few that will look good on you, wherever you go. Ladies, it is time for us to take our femininity back.
Want to. So these little fun tops you all right here at Wilbourn Sister Designs, $35. And of course they're fun. You'll always have that little holy top in your closet. And then at the same time, like I say, it is comes in all colors. And Dr. Ross is working it. Look at her. She is the cutest thing. Okay, you all, you gotta follow them on YouTube so you all